Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show here about to help you through show spacing in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about follow this video to show spacing or hide spacing. This is gonna be actually have certain thing that is going on with the progress that it's really to be about be depending on that. So what you're gonna do is about start to have a certain thing that is ready to be satisfied with moment that is going on with the way that we have to start to see as soon as possible with a progress that is still to be on the progress as you wanted to actually post it when and you can actually see over here on the moment that it's still about to have to click here on file or this one and then click on view and then show spacing. I think that still to be one of them that is ready about this. So that is all about how you start to actually show spacing on the part. By the way,